Zeta Financial Budgeting App Review usage. Welcome to my Zeta Financial Budgeting App Review usage experience. And as always, you can find links to the product in the description below. Zeta Financial is a budgeting and finance management app primarily designed for couples and shared finances. Unlike other budgeting apps, Zeta simplifies the process of managing joint expenses, whether you're living together or sharing financial responsibilities. It's an excellent tool for couples looking to merge their financial lives, track shared expenses, and work together to reach savings goals. One of Zeta's standout features is its shared wallet functionality, which allows couples to pool their funds for joint expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and other bills. You can set specific budgets for different categories and automatically split expenses, making it much easier to track shared spending. This feature works well for couples with varied income sources, or those who want to keep their individual accounts separate, but still manage shared financial obligations seamlessly. The app also provides savings goals, which can be customized based on what you're saving for, whether it's a vacation, a home, or an emergency fund. You can both contribute to these goals individually, and Zeta will help you track your progress. Additionally, Zeta Financial offers bill reminders so you'll never miss a payment again, and expense tracking, which automatically categorizes your spending, making it easier to stay on top of your budget without manual input. While Zeta is fantastic for couples, it may not be as versatile for individuals or users who want more advanced features like investment tracking or detailed financial reporting. It's streamlined, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it perfect for couples who want to focus on budgeting without dealing with the complexities of other financial apps. In conclusion, Zeta Financial is an excellent app for couples who want to manage their finances together with ease. If you're looking for a tool to help you track shared expenses, reach savings goals, and stay on top of bills, Zeta is worth checking out. Be sure to follow the link in the description to get started with Zeta Financial today.